Hello everyone, good afternoon to all of you. I'm here again, your local reactor from Philippines. My name is Jayson and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jrodix TV. So before we start guys, I just want to greet to all my friends there in Manipur, Northeast India. Yes, they celebrate now the major festival in their state. That was the Yaoshang Festival. Oh wow! I know that you are all so happy today. So I wish that this festival, this festival gives you the most prosperous festival in your entire family. Alright, so yes, that was my my wish to celebrate your festival today. So enjoy your day, alright, and more happiness to your life, to your entire family, or to your state. So thank you so much again, because you know, every time that you have a celebration in your state, I'm so happy also. Alright, so guys, we continue our reaction of video for today. We're just going to you know, grant the request of two of our friends there in Northeast, in Manipur, Northeast India. Their names are Jenya Ngathem and KH Rajiv Singh, and they want me to react this kind of music with the entitle of Taningle by Umananda and Pushparani, featuring Bala and Jelish, and it was uploaded by H360 Pictures. And this music guys is newly freshly uploaded yesterday only guys, March 17, 2022. So I'm so excited guys to react this. Wow, this is a new music. But before that guys, one more thing again, please, for those new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel first, and don't forget to hit that bell button for you to be updated always on my next reaction video here in my channel. So without further ado guys, let's get now and watch this video. Dedicated to my beloved mother. Oh, late Motom Ebango Debbie. Wow, this is a very special music. H360 Pictures. Ooh, RJ Star. RJ Star Production. Oh, is this Bala high jump? Yes. Oh, what's this? A card? This is a card? Greeting card? Wow. Maybe this is Jelish. This guy is Jelish. I know. Wow, Bala Hejam. Wow, she's so beautiful until now. Taningle. Oh, that was nice because there is a English subtitle here. Wow, look at Jelish. Very smart guy and very handsome guy like me. Oh, what's this celebration? What's, guys, what's this kind of a performance is this? Oh, I cannot mention you today, guys. I cannot mention you what kind of performance is this one. I have fallen for you. Oh my goodness. That was the meaning of this music. I was falling in love with you. Wow. Oh. Is this a festival, guys? Ooh, I like the colorful of the, you know, the entire oh, there's some teenager here dancing. Yes, I like the entire oh, look at the place, guys. Oh, I don't know, guys, what is this kind of celebration here? I like the entire place, guys. So colorful. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know. This is a festival or just like events only in the wow. Oh, I know this color. Is the Abir? One of my friends told me that kind of a powder color or this color powder that was called Aber. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I forgot, but I think that was Aber color. Aber powder. Ooh, they're both compatible, guys. But I know Bala now is married already. Oh, wow. The more I stared at you, the more beautiful. The more I stared at you, the more I fell in love with you. Oh my goodness. You know, guys, if I understand your lyrics, guys, that is so very romantic lyrics. Why I realize? Why didn't you tell me let go of your feelings? Oh. Ooh. Stop being shy. I truly love you. Oh my god. Wow, that was so romantic music. Whoa! He proposed now, guys. Just like a true life story. Subtitled by Team H360. Wow, thank you so much, H360 pictures. Wow. Oh my goodness. That was the Taningle music video. Oh. Wow. This is a very special music, guys, because he dedicated this to late, what's that name? What's the name of this, his mother? Motom Ibengo Devi. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys, that was so very romantic a music video for me. Taningle. What is the meaning of Taningle? I want to know that one. I want to know what's the meaning of Taningle. So, for those watching right now to my reaction of video, if you want to answer my question, please comment down below. Alright, guys, so wow, that was so enjoy music video, very romantic, very, you know, when it comes Bala in the story, guys, I know Bala is a very professional artist. Yes, she's the queen of you know, queen of drama for me. Yes. Oh my goodness, guys, but you know, I'm so happy because, you know, yeah, some of the music, guys, of the Money4 can, you know, they get my feeling, guys. Yes, to be in love, to be happy. Yes, that was the true feelings of the someone like me. So guys, thank you so much for having me here until the end of this reaction of video of this music Taningle. So thank you so much again to H360 Pictures for allowing me for react this very romantic music. Alright, so after you watch this reaction of video, guys, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends. And one more thing again, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So, until the next reaction video, guys, and happy Holi to all entire India and to all people, Hindus, families there. God bless you all, guys. Bye-bye.